This looks real, but it's actually AI. And videos like this are getting millions of views right now. From dangerous cliff rides to cinematic horse journeys, people are going crazy over these POV horse riding videos. And the best part? You can create them completely for free. Let me show you how. First, open chatgpt and go to Explore GPTs. Search for Fantasy Horse Generator and start it. It will instantly generate 10 different viral location ideas for your video. For example, I'm going with a cliffside path, so I'll select option 2. Now ChatGPT gives us two things, an image prompt, a video prompt. Copy the image prompt first. Now open Flow AI and go to Create Image. Set your aspect ratio and number of outputs and choose the model Nano Banana Pro. Paste your prompt and hit Generate. Within seconds, your AI-generated horse riding scene will be ready. Now let's turn this into a video. Go to Create Video and select Frame to Video. Upload your generated image as Frame 1. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Paste it here and hit Generate. And just like that, your horse riding POV video is ready. Take a look at this. It looks insanely realistic, just like the viral ones. You can save it from here. And using the same method, you can create unlimited variations like this. Here's another example I made. So yeah, that's how you can create viral POV horse riding videos using free AI tools. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more viral AI content ideas, and comment below which AI niche you want me to cover next.